Ever walk through a space or open an app and think, wow, this just works? It's almost like someone designed the whole experience without you ever noticing. That's the magic of experience curation. It's the art and science of designing how people move, feel, and engage, whether it's inside a store, across a digital platform, at a live event, or even throughout a service journey. And right now, companies are realizing that experience isn't just a nice to have, it's a massive competitive advantage. Are you someone who loves creativity, psychology, storytelling, and design? You might have just found your next career path. We have more apps, options, and information than ever before. The brands that stand out are the ones creating experiences that are meaningful and memorable. Think of the last time you felt delighted by a product or a space or maybe a digital moment. That didn't happen by chance. It was curated with intention, strategy, and creativity. That was done by an experience curator, and now it is one of the most innovative jobs emerging at the junction of design, psychology, and technology. Think of them as the designers of how people feel, before, during, and after interacting with a product, environment, or brand. That's all part of the experience, and companies are heavily investing in this. Some even describe the experience as the new competitive battleground, and for good reason too. McKinsey's research shows that customer experience leaders outperform those that lag behind, more than doubling their revenue. That's something to fight for. And why does it work so well? Well, because when an experience is well crafted, people don't just notice. They come back, they give you their trust, and they tell other people. Now let's take a look what a day in the life may look like in this role. At the beginning of the day, you'll probably start with reviewing feedback, browsing behavior insights, or emotion mapping data. Are people lingering where you expected? Did a digital flow cause confusion? As the day picks up, you're shifting from insight to brainstorming. Maybe you're meeting with designers, marketers, or product teams to sketch out a new journey. Maybe you're walking through a retail space and noticing how lighting, spacing, or sound changes the mood. Or you're in a digital product review, evaluating how an onboarding experience feels from a user's perspective. Then comes the hands-on creative work. Think about developing mood boards, storyboards, prototypes, or interaction models. You might be crafting a flow for an immersive learning experience, designing a multi-sensory retail moment, or outlining the emotional pacing of a digital campaign. By the afternoon, you're testing, running user walkthroughs or tweaking transitions, refining copy and adjusting spatial layouts. Or maybe you're experimenting with motion, sound cues, or using data to see whether your experience is doing what you intended. And before the day wraps up, you're zooming out again, taking time to check performance dashboards, review traffic patterns, or analyze sentiment. Because experience curation is an art and science, and everything you build gets measured and iterated until it works beautifully. So what skills do you actually need? First, a strong foundation in human-centered design. That means understanding your users deeply. You need to know how they think, what motivates them, or what overwhelms them, and what delights them. Next, creativity. Experience curators pull ideas from architecture, theater, digital design, psychology, retail, hospitality, game design, and pretty much anywhere humans interact. Want to nail your projects? That takes sharp research skills and the ability to interpret insights, study behavior patterns, and use data to shape choices. And communication matters just as much. You'll need the ability to pitch ideas, build narratives around concepts, and collaborate with cross-functional teams. Technical fluency helps too. Not coding necessarily, but a familiarity with digital platforms, prototyping tools, and journey mapping software. And increasingly, you'll need to know how to use AI-enhanced design tools. So how do you break into the field? Many come from UX design, marketing, psychology, hospitality, service design, creative direction, or even event production. Others transition in from graphic design, retail leadership, instructional design, or brand strategy. You can start by learning core experience design principles, studying user psychology, and building small projects. Try redesigning a physical or digital journey you interact with daily. Sign up for internships, capstone projects, freelance work, and hands-on case studies. It all helps demonstrate your ability to think in terms of experiences rather than assets. And the career path? It's flexible. You might start as a UX researcher, experience associate, junior designer, or brand experience coordinator. From there, you can move into roles like experience strategist, creative producer, experimental designer, journey architect, or even the head of experience. Large companies, museums, sports teams, airports, Hotels, retail brands, tech companies, theme parks, and nonprofits all hire for this. Any organization that touches humans needs someone thinking intentionally about how those humans feel. But the future of the field is where things get especially exciting. Digital platforms are evolving fast. AI tools now help designers generate prototypes, analyze emotion patterns, and simulate user reactions before anything is built. AI-powered personalization is becoming a defining expectation, with customers increasingly drawn to experiences that feel intuitive and tailored in real time. Experience curation is one of those careers that never stops evolving. You're shaping how people feel in spaces, apps, brands, and stories that define their daily lives. If this excites you, explore it, practice it, start small. Build your portfolio of moments. The future belongs to the people who know how to craft memorable experiences in a world that desperately needs them. Will you be one of them? Check out the links in the description for some resources to help you begin.